Hi, I'm Pete Burrows from Towing and Trailers, and today I'm going to discuss trailer weights. People don't quite understand what weights a trailer can carry, so I'm going to brush through this and just give you rough ideas of what you're looking for when you're buying a trailer or when you're building a trailer, so that you understand the weights that are required. We're stood next to a 2.7 ton trailer. This is a flatbed trailer and it weighs approximately 650 kilos. The trailer itself has a gross weight of 2.7 ton, and with the weight being 650 kilos approximately, this means that this trailer will physically carry 2,050 kilos, just over 2 ton. However, there's many times that you may not be able to do this. This cannot be used with most normal family size or small cars. Most family size cars will have a maximum towing capacity. If you get the V5 for the vehicle and open it up and look on the left hand side, this will give you 2 towing weights. It will give you a maximum towing weight for an unbraked vehicle and an unbraked trailer, and a maximum weight for a braked trailer. This being braked will have a higher capacity. Most sort of family sized cars will have a maximum braked weight of between 1400 kg and about 2200 kg, and none of those will be suitable for towing this trailer at its maximum capacity. It doesn't stop you towing this trailer, it just means that you can't load it up to its full capacity. Then the other figure for unbraked trailers is always under 750 kg. It's not legal to tow a trailer without brakes under 750 kg. And a family size car is normally 600 to 750 kg, depending on the size of the car. And that towing weight has nothing to do with towing this trailer. It is purely for towing the small unbraked trailers. People do not understand that they can buy a 6x4 unbraked trailer that is 750 kg and they cannot tow it fully loaded with most vehicles. For any further information, for any parts, etc., please see our links below or visit our website.